jar I keep my dreams, fragile things, shattered wings, they hum and sing. Underneath the silver moon, they bloom. Inside